Parents, if your child snores, mouth breathes, or has restless nights, you're not alone. Many parents struggle with understanding these sleep issues. At Williams Dental Wellness, Mansfield, Texas, we're here to help with a free consultation. It's about clarity, not pressure. We'll examine any airway risk factors and assess how breathing affects your child's sleep. Plus, determine if a sleep study is needed. Don't keep guessing at home. Get the answers you need. Claim your free consultation now by calling 425-814-3196.